Good morning to all. During the last class, we are going to start what's matrix. What's matter? We already learned that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. But two properties of a matter are it occupies, it has mass and it needs a space to occupy. Then we also already learned that there are two theories related to matter. According to the ancient theory, all matter is continuous, like a block of woods. According to ancient theory, all matter are continuous, like a block of wood. But according to modern theory, all matters are contains particles. All matters contains particles. Now, today we are going to study about the properties of particles. The properties of particles can be, we can study by doing some simple activities. First property of particle is it is very small. The particles are very small. We can prove it by a simple experiment. This beaker contains 250 ml of water. This is potassium permanganate, KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Add some potassium permanganate to this water and make well. What will you observe? The color of the water becomes purple. Out of this purple colored water, take 10 ml. Take 10 ml to another beaker. This beaker contains 10 ml KMnO4 solution. Add 90 ml more water. What will you observe? This water also got its color but slightly lighter. Out of this KMnO solution, take another 10 ml. And add to another beaker, it contains 10 ml. Add 90 more ml water. What will you observe? It also appears color but slightly lighter. Then you may take 10 ml water solution from this and repeat the experiment. Add to another beaker and add 90 ml water. These four beakers containing potassium permanganate solutions. Now you will observe the change in color. We have, this is the first solution we have also prepared. It has deep color, the color changes, color decreases from this beaker to this beaker. The last beaker, it also contains a light color. It is also slightly light. What does this experiment shows? Potassium permanganate grains are too small. It has capacity to collide about a liter of water. About a liter of water. This experiment shows that the particles, we take a little quantity of potassium permanganate. We take a little quantity of potassium permanganate. This little quantity of potassium permanganate can collide about 10,000 ml of water, though the color is slightly decreases. This proves that the particles of a matter are very small. It is very tiny. It is that means the particles are made up of very small particles. We can go to the other property. There is space between the particles. There is space between the particles. During the last class, I showed you an experiment taking some sugar and poured into a beaker of water and stirred well. The sugar disappeared. You will also find the answer. Where does the sugar goes? Now we can repeat the experiment with another method. Take a beaker, add 100 ml of water. Here you note the level, not the level. We put a spoon into the what happens? The level increases. The level increases. You can do this experiment in your home with a glass and a spoon. Take a glass, fill 1/3 of is water and insert anything like this material. Then changes. When we put a spoon into the water, the level of water increases. Now we can do this experiment by another material. This is common salt, sodium chloride. So common salt, sodium chloride. Commonly it is in our home it is called curry. We add some common salt. Note the level of water. Then add some common salt to this water and stir well till it dissolves. Not change the level of water. What happens to the common salt particles? It dissolves in the water. How it dissolves or it disappears in it? How it disappears? The water molecules broken the common salt particles into very tiny particles. It entered into the space between the water molecules. The common salt molecules disappeared. Why? The common salt particles disappeared. Common salt grains disappeared. Where it was? The common salt water breaks up the common salt particles into tiny particles, and these tiny common salt particles goes into the space between water molecules. So there is no increase the level of the water level. During the last class, we proved it with another example, taking water till the tip of the beaker and add more than 40 multiplied to it. The water level of the water, water does not overflow because there is space in between the water molecules. For this experiment, these three experiments, what are they? Common salt and water, sugar and water, and multiplied water. These three experiments shows that there is space between the molecules of water taken. There is space between the particles. Space between the particles. So the common salt particles enter into the space between the water molecules. So the level of the water does not increase. At the same time, when we put the spoon, level of the water increases because the spoon is the spoon is larger or bigger in size. The next property is the particles are continuously moving. The particles are continuously moving. The particles are continuously moving. Do you know this is what? What is this? Incense sticks. Incense sticks. ചന്ദനത്തിൽ ഇത് നമ്മുടെ അടുത്തിരുന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതിന്റെ സ്മെല്ല് വരുമോ? Do you get the smell? Every evening your homes, the incense are lightened and the smell spread over the rooms. Now there is two reasons. Now we can't get the smell. When we lighten the incense sticks, what happens? You notice it? Now the incense stick is burning and its smell is spread all over the room. Here there are mixing up. What are they? One, the smoke and the air. Smoke and the air. They are here two. You see that? This incense stick is burning and its smell is spread all over the room. Here, the mixing above two substances, air and smoke. Air and smoke. Now take this air and smoke are the two substances, two matters are. The two substances are the gaseous stage. We can do another experiment using water and potassium permanganate. Take 150 ml water, add little potassium permanganate to this. Don't stir. Please notice what happened. We don't stir it with the rod or spoon. What happened? You will observe it. Slightly, slowly, its color spread throughout the water. Slightly, its color spread throughout the water. Here also, mixing about two substances, potassium permanganate, the solid state, and water. It takes some time to mix it completely. Here also, what are the two substances taken? KMnO4 and water. These two activities is known as diffusion. These two activities. What are the two activities? The spreading the smell of incense sticks in the room. Here, the mixing of two or more substances. Here, smoke and air are mixing. Here, water and potassium permanganate are mixing. This process, the mixing of two or more substances, is known as diffusion. We can see one more. Can you give note down some examples of diffusion in your home? While your mother frying chicken in your kitchen, the smell spread throughout the room, throughout the house. This is due to a process, namely diffusion. If a bottle of spray is opened and placed in a corner of a room, what will happen? Within minutes, the smell of the spray spread over the room. We use car fresheners in our car or bathroom fresheners, where also the process diffusion takes place. When you have to take, give another example. Here the spoon and the chalk, spoon and chalk. They contact with, there is no mixing take place. Here we can take, no doubt, the thing where the speed of diffusion is later. In the gaseous state, we can observe the gaseous state is high quickly. In liquid state, it is slowly. In the solid state, it is negligible. Diffusion is negligible if the two substances are so in the solid state. Then one more thing you have to notice is that how the smell is spread over the room. The particles are continuously moving. You can see the particles of the smoke are continuously moving due to kinetic energy. Due to kinetic energy. I can't move with the energy. The particles are moved because due to the kinetic energy possessed in it. The other property is the particles are attract each other. The particles of chalk is made of calcium carbonate particles. They are attracting. The force of attraction between the particles in a substance. Force of attraction. For example, the spoon. We can't break it. We can't break the spoon. Or the duster. We can't break it. At the same time, a chalk. We can't break it. Here, by breaking a chalk piece, a little more force is required. At the same time, because the force of attraction between the particles in the chalk is less than the force of attraction between the particles on the spoon. I once again repeat, we can break the spoon with a strike because the force of attraction between the particles in spoon is very great. At the same time, we can strike, we can powder a chalk by a strike. Because the force of attraction between the particles in chalk is less. Well, in this class, we will notice the properties of particles. I explained this thing once more. Before explaining, you must remember that science is learned by doing. Science is learned by doing. Learning every day. Learning anything through every day. Learning, you can learn anything through everyday life. One of the most important is time is the particles are very, very small. They are very, very tiny. Can you explain this student? Take a beaker of water and add some potassium permanganate, some grains of potassium permanganate. It can be diluted several times. Even after dilution, both times the color still exists because it is very, very small. It has spread throughout the water. You can do it in your home. You can do it with another substance named Dettol. In all the homes there are Dettol. Take a beaker of water, add some Dettol to it. After this water, take 10 ml of water to Dettol to another and again dilute it. From there you can repeat this, carry out these experiments 4 times till the last fourth bottle of the Dettol also contain the smell of Dettol. This shows that the particles of substance are very, very tiny. There is space between the particles. There is space. You can do it with a common salt or sugar in your home. Take some water in a glass, add some sugar, take some glass of water and mark the level. then add some sugar, and where there is a change in level of water, then the particles are continuously moving. That can show it by you can remember several examples. The first and most common is the meaning of intensity. Then there is force of attraction. Force of attraction is different in different substances. We already seen that we can broken a chalk piece. We can the water liquid state. We can broke the water by we can cut through the water. We can cut through the air. We can easily cut through the air because air is the particles are attraction between the particles are very little. We can easily cut. Comparing to the air, we can cut through the water with a little more force. Comparing to the air, water, we can apply more force to break the. So there is force of attraction between the molecules. The next thing is diffusion. What is diffusion? In your home, always several times the process takes place during the kitchen. It is very common. So you must always remember these things. Now we have already read that what's matter. Matters are made up of particles. What are the properties of the particles? The next class we are going to see the different states of matter. So today we will do these 4 experiments and make it clear what are the properties of a particles. Science is learned by doing. Okay. Thank you. We can see in the next class.